Maybe. Paying for listing one content matter lordship for I tomorrow lordship, if possible lordship.
Belay bench.
Master.
May I please your lordship? I'm doing for listing a motion matter lordship tomorrow lordship. Public.
Motion for tomorrow.
But I have a mention listing.
Listing.
Item 1 for motion.
Yes. Petitioner lordship has applied for a post fight advertisement lordship. Lordship will find the advertisement page 26 lordship. Under OBC category lordship. And therefore lordship petitioner has been disqualified. And subsequently lordship petitioner has also submitted his RTI application and got his reply. Lordship will find his reply.
Just a minute, show cause as to why manual direction to recruit and appoint the petitioner. We can set aside your rejection and ask them to consider, but how can we direct somebody to appoint?
Otherwise, lordship,
Anyway, where is the reply?
lordship reply lordship will find at page 38 lordship.
38.
At page 39 lordship.
Furnished the information as sort of
As page 39 lordship, where it is written marks obtained in written exam is lordship 115.5. And lordship will find at page 44 the cutoff marks for OBC category is 111 lordship.
My lord, before my learned can start further argument, lordship, the necessary parties, they are not representing, their name is not shown in the cause list, nor they are appearing, lordship. It is the state level recruitment commission. They have a separate standing council, with the BSORI, and SEBA is a party. So we are not made party in this petition, lordship. Only GA and secondary education is shown.
No, maybe, but what he says,
Yes.
if the cutoff is 111, he admittedly he got 115.
Yes.
So you should process his.
And that recruitment commission is a autonomous body, lordship.
No, he's not against the commission. He is taking support of the commission. His case is OBC category, OBC last cutoff mark was 111.
Yes.
He says, I got 115. So why was the petitioner left out? He is neither assailing the selection, nor he is assailing the examination conducted.
It's only that recruitment commission they can.
No, we don't need the commission. Why should we hear them?
Yes.
Unless it is your case that the commission is wrong in giving him a reply that he got 115. He is not against the commission. Had he challenged that I should have got 120 not 115, then we would have required the commission to be present. If one post vacant, I think he's made out a clear case.
Lordship, page 45, till 186 posts are lying vacant.
That is before.
Page
No, Mr. Chisti, what we have not understood is what kind of objection is the state
No.
raising?
We don't have, no, we are not a made party in this petition. That is what I am saying.
Who is not a party?
We have that department, secondary department of government.
The secondary department is not
No,
a, then who is the respondent?
It is lordship recruitment commission.
Recruitment commission, no.
They are autonomous.
Now, who will issue the appointment?
I think it is a department will issue, I think. Government.
Who had issued the advertisement? Let us.
It is the commission lordship that
So
recruitment.
it is the
for
commission.
class-
Yeah, he has rightly said so. The
that-
commission should recommend me for appointment.
They have a separate standing council, Mr. B. Sodri, lordship.
If he does not appear, what can he do?
And that was not served to him, lordship. Only our name.
Did you give the copy to Mr. Chaudhary?
Lordship, I have served as per Lordship, I inquired Lordship and copy was served and
To whom did you serve?
Lordship in the office Lordship.
Of our department, secondary education lordship.
You have served the secondary education department. They say we have nothing to do with it.
And we are not party in this case. lordship.
Lordship, let me.
And nor they are a respondent.
Lordship, I will again in survey copy later come after petition Lordship.
he has met SEBA and the recruitment commission as a party.
State level.
The heard Mr. S.M. Krishnan Ray, also heard Mr. S.M.T. Chisti, who otherwise appears for the secondary education department. The first objection raised is that the respondents in the writ petition is the authorities under the state level recruitment commission, which is a separate entity and not under the secondary education department, and therefore the learning council do not represent. It is also stated that the state level recruitment commission has their own standing council, and accordingly copies of the writ petition may be served to the standing council. Mr. Krishnan Ray submits that the writ petitioner had participated in a selection process pursuant to the advertisement at page number
26.
pursuant to an advertisement dated by advertisement at page 26 annex 5 issued by the state level recruitment commission for class 3 posts, and as per the information provided under the RTI, the petitioner had secured 115.50 marks out of 150. It is also submitted that a petitioner is a candidate belonging to the OBC category, and the last cutoff mark for the OBC category is 111, and therefore the petitioner ought to have been selected and recommended for the appointment. This is a general
Yes, sir.
recruitment for across the departments.
Across the department, that is the.
Then why did you select Mr. Chisti then?
That is what I'm searching, Lordship. It is for all, Lordship.
You should have then given to standing council of all the departments.
And he is also not specific in his petition, Lordship.
I got a reply from secondary education.
Okay, very well.
Okay.
As the petitioner had made out a prima facie case that under the OBC category, as per the report of the RTI, he is above the cutoff mark. One post of grade 4, grade 3 or grade 4. Where did we apply, Mr. Krishnan? You applied for grade 3 or 4?
Lordship, category 2, Lordship, as per advertisement, Lordship, that is grade.
Then
Grade-
which
grade-
post to be kept vacant then?
And his RTI reply is from the SEBA, Lordship, not from our department.
Whatever
Yes,
it is,
yes.
we take that. Then which post to be kept vacant? You don't know whether we applied for 3 or
Grade-
4.
grade-
You
grade
don't
3,
know where you had applied.
Lordship, grade 3, Lordship.
Grade 3.
Grade 3. Category
Grade 3, in respect of the advertisement dated, advertisement at annex 5 page 26 shall not be filled up or be kept vacant until further orders. List immediately after the vacation, after service of notice to the no, after serving copy to the respondents.
Deeply well.
Item 2.
Yes, Mr. Sharma.
May I please your lordship. Writ petition relating to compassionate appointment lordship. Lordship,
Was he placed before DLC?
lordship, my father expired on 3/11/19.
Mr. Sharma, we all know your father died. Otherwise, there cannot be compassionate. Was it placed before DLC?
It is not placed, lordship.
That is your case.
Lordship.
What did you?
No, but the case is different.
Something
madam.
different. What is it?
That on 3/11/2019, after the scheme has been stopped. And he is the beneficiary of compassionate family pension.
Okay, my man died after.
17. 14 September 2017, the notification has come up,
Uh-huh.
closing all the compassionate appointment,
Very well. And when did the man die?
2019, madam.
Lordship. My mother has got the compassionate payment lordship. I mean,
Sorry.
compassionate family pension lordship. But lordship, there is no bar to apply for, and also prior to payment lordship,
Forget about your no bar. Where is your entitlement under the law?
lordship,
Compassionate appointment, the entitlement comes under a scheme.
lordship,
If the scheme is closed, where is your entitlement? It's not a general provision that everybody will apply. It is stated by Mr. Girin Pebul and additional Senegal advocate for the deputy commissioner. Which district?
Nagaon Lordship.
Nagaon, that the scheme for compassionate appointment, which prevailed earlier, was superseded by another scheme of compassion, what is the name?
Compassionate family pension,
Of compassionate family pension, as per the notification dated
14 September 2017.
14 September 2017, 14/9/2017. In the instant case, the father of the petitioner died on
3/11/2019.
3/11/2019, and therefore it is the submission that the petitioner is not entitled for consideration for compassionate appointment. List. Kyoata Didio. Petitioner to submit as to under which provision of law they are entitled for a compassionate appointment.
Item 3.
Yes, item 3, what is it?
This matter relating to provincialization of service RTC.
Provincialization.
My lord. I was serving as the headmaster of Tangizar ME School, your lordship, and the district level scrutiny committee has recommended my name, but in the provincialization list, my name was dropped, my lord. Therefore, I approached before this honorable court in the
Yes,
earlier round of litigation, my lord. And during that pendency of that litigation, hearing has been conducted and report has been prepared and sent to the government, my lord. There, nothing has been happened, my lord.
No, not to remove the from the headmaster.
And
You
now,
will,
my lord,
you can remain the headmaster. It's a LP school.
ME school, my lord, and and the school have more than 100 students till date, my lord. And as per the act, my lord, the headmaster is eligible.
You are entitled for a additional post.
My lord. And now the process, now we have verbally threatened that after the vacations, they will take extra to release me, my lord. So status quo isn't it maintained, my lord?
Okay.
Status quo.
The claim for provincialization of the petitioner was rejected by the SLC,
My lord.
and being aggrieved, this writ petition is instituted. The petitioner claims that the school concerned has more than 100 students, and therefore under the proviso to section 3(1)(11) of the Act of 2017, there is an entitlement of an additional post. Respondents to examine the aspect and submit their report before the court. List on so and so. Issue notice, returnable data video, extra copies, 3 days. Any private respondent?
My lord, there are two private respondents.
Why have you made somebody a private respondent?
Because, my lord, what happened in the earlier round of litigation, my lord,
No, why will you make them a respondent?
both of them has been, my lord, provincialized on the same post. And now, my lord, any
No,
one of
no.
them will be held. Well, at this stage, my lord, that may not be.
Is it your case that their provincialization should be set aside and the petition?
That is not my. case.
Then don't make them a
Strike down, my
respondent.
lord. They may be strike down, my
It's you do it. Why should we do it?
lord. I will strike down, my lord. At this stage.
As tutor for elementary education department, Mr. Girin Pebu for Deputy Commissioner Dorong. Extra copies 3 days. Petitioner seeks to delete the area of respondent number 7. And accordingly, no notice is issued. File IA for deleting. A status quo as regards the service of the petitioner as the headmaster of name of the school
Tangisa Remy.
be maintained. But we are clarifying that the interim order is not an indication that the petitioner would be retained in service as a provincialized employee. Whatever manner you were there, will examine your case. Tomorrow he'll say, no, there is a high court order, I am provincialized.
Item 4.
Yes, Mr. Chaudhary.
Hello, bless my lord.
By 30.
So you are challenging order dated 16/8/2022. That is not a genuine order.
23 million.
No.
These two orders have been passed, Melody. And
16/8/2022, 23, they're separate orders.
yes, Melody.
Both are same date.
This order was, yes, Melody. This order was furnished.
Where is 16/8/2023? Let us read.
23 at page 107, annex 18.
07. For salary,
Normally provincialization of service. Melody.
provincialization under the 17 Act.
But at page 109, the last paragraph may be very. After careful consideration of the above, all other aspects of the and in cancellation of the our views expressed in earlier speaking order issued by the 14/9/2018, the government in the Department of School Education has decided that the claim of the petitioner for provincialization of services in Paschim Bangla Aঞ্চলিক High School, Nalbari, cannot be considered. It is in respect of the response number 5. Who said
No, that is okay. We are not concerned with 5. He will come.
further considering the unfair.
Mr. Chisti,
Yes.
just look into this aspect. Claim of the petitioner for provincialization
Yes.
cannot be considered appointed in excess
This is
and
regarding. response number-
before he acquired requisite qualification. What do you mean by excess?
It is in respect of response number. 5.
See, venture school has no sanction post.
Mm. No,
Only thing, there may be more than 10 teacher also.
Melody,
Just a minute.
Yeah.
But you will provincialize them only as per the provisions of the act. If the act says 3 teachers, if it is, this is ME school,
High school. the
high school. So it is provided, how many teachers will be provincialized? Suppose for one category of post, there are more than one teacher. Then you will decide who between the two will be senior and have a better claim. But there is, cannot be anything like that, that there is excess, appointed in excess.
Yes, here in this, but
So it
Right.
appears that a fair consideration was not given.
that is there, that may be there, but as far as I remember, Lordship, this writ petitioner and the private husband, they have a series of litigations. And
Let
I
them
think-
have.
And one review petition is pending.
Let it remain pending.
Between the two persons.
We are not concerned with any other litigation. Here you see, Mr. Chisti, read the word order complete.
Yes, Lordship.
5, we have rejected, he had committed fraud.
Yes.
We are not concerned with 5. 5, whatever you do, you do. We are,
I be the petitioner here.
I is the petitioner in their case, my lord. He challenged my.
oh, who is the petitioner?
Now,
Oh, Kadir is the petitioner, not the other one.
Not that is
Petitioner five.
present.
So yes, now,
My lord,
what is your submission? No, I thought the petitioner was
No.
before the court. no?
I was signed against him.
Mhm.
I have stated in paragraph 23 in details, my lord.
Hmm.
2 orders have been passed on the same day. Here is different. And hearing was taken place in respect of the order passed in 2022.
Please produce the order of release of monthly salary. For which month,
My lord,
Mr. Chisti? Because your reason is providing fake government order.
And that was.
No, I know.
Yes.
Mr. Chaudhary, can we take a look at that order? Please produce it before us. We'll examine it.
my lord, I have annexed
Page number,
page 100,
page 100,
119, 111,
111.
annex 9. Here details discussed.
100 and
Nine, Annex 19-111, 111.
111. No, this is not a fake order. Fake government order for release of monthly salary. Monthly salary for which month, Mr. Chisti?
That instruction
Please bring the information, then we'll ask the
Because-
petition.
Yes.
See,
Yes.
the reason for rejecting is he had produced a fake government order for release of salary. Don't go into any other issue. First, tell us for which month he had produced a fake salary.
Yes.
Then we'll ask the petitioner to produce the same order before the court.
Yes.
We'll examine whether it is fake or it is not a
Sir,
fake.
this is the order, my lord. 15/8/2022.
We are not interested in order, Mr. Chaudhary. We are in
I was furnished this order.
fake
and
government order. Okay,
This is the order.
this order itself is fake.
This order itself. is-
According to secretary. My lord, he was joint secretary at that time.
Understand,
He
whatever
furnished
it
the
is,
order to me.
what do you mean by fake? That means Bharat Bhushan Dev Chaudhary has not issued this order?
No, Lordship.
So, an inquiry-
Signature is forged?
Yes, it has been fraud. And that's why the FIR was.
Ha. You produce the origin of this order.
That is not there. I will have to take. I think it is not there in the office. It was not found. Because in
It
another,
was-
another set
No,
of
no,
litigations,
It was-
honorable court has observed these.
Mr. Chisti, we cannot decide a confusion. To decide, you'll have to come to terms. Do you have a copy of this order?
Lord, I have annexed this, my lord.
No, you have annexed. This is a photocopy. I want to see the origin. What is it?
Origin, I don't have, my lord. Therefore, this photocopy was furnished to me by the joint secretary, my lord. He is secretary now. And
No, who had given it to you and how did he give it to you?
my lord. He-
Who had given, provided the petitioner with
I
a copy
have
of this?
stated in paragraph 23, my lord. details about this.
23. What is the name of that man?
I have made party, my lord, the secretary, my lord. he was-
Ahidul Hussain, that one.
No, not Ahidul.
Page number 20,
Yes, and so.
page number 23. S.N. Chaudhary. It is stated that what post he is holding at
He's
present?
a secretary. He's also a secretary.
That
At
Mr.
that time-
S.N. Chaudhary, who is the present secretary in the school education department, while he was a joint secretary in the department, had provided the petitioner with a copy of the order dated 16/8/2022, which is available as Annex 19, page 111 to the writ petition. The said statement is made by the petitioner on oath at paragraph
23.
23.
And before that, my lord.
Just a minute. No.
Hearing was.
Mr. Chaudhary, we are not going by the way it may be presented. We are going to the core issue, whether this is fake or it is not fake.
But his name is not.
If
written
it
in
is not fake, we are going to give you all the relief. If it is fake, you face the consequence.
But his name is not written in paragraph 23, Lordship, as an essential rule.
Where is that line? That's why I'm asking.
Joint secretary,
Only joint secretary was written.
joint secretary, and at
Where is that line?
at the relevant time, he was there.
No, where is that line that he had given you? Where is the line that this order was provided to the petitioner?
In the first line, Lordship, that a petitioner begs to state that.
The
Petitioner was given.
But
the
no
order-
clear averment is made. The petitioner to file an affidavit stating in clear terms as to
Present secretary.
in what manner the petitioner was provided, in what manner and by whom the petitioner was provided the order dated 16/8/2022. List immediately after the vacation. You tell us who had given you this order,
Well, I have stated, my lord, the present secretary, he was joint secretary. at the-
not a vague statement, clear terms, name.
There are
Name,
two
my lord,
secretaries.
I have party, I have made party.
Next item, I send here. Like,
আপনার মুখ copy দিব।
Item 5 for admission.
we pass the order, Mr. Chaudhary. You give us the name, we'll make an inquiry.
Response number 3 is. by
We are
name.
not relying on that. File an affidavit giving us the name of the person who had given you. Once you give the name, we'll inquire from that man, why he had given you a fake order.
My lord, in the petition, it's a paragraph 3, my lord, I have stated.
Mr. Chaudhary, it doesn't matter whatever you may have
Yes,
said.
I will file it.
We want the information because we want to make an inquiry. It's a very serious
Yes.
allegation. Allegation is very serious. If some government officer is involved in this fraud, we are going to proceed against him.
Yes.
So we want the name of the man who had given you.
Maybe.
Yes, item 5.
There was a direction to file affidavit, my lord. We are yet to file, my lord.
Please, secretary, pray for 3 weeks time to file. Mr. Girin Pegul, an additional senior government advocate appearing for the Deputy Commissioner Kachar, prays for further 2 weeks time to file the affidavit. Pray aloud. Listen, sir. Over. Thank you.
Yes.
Enjoy your vacation.
Having this one.